This is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, you will need to turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then unfold the control panel, find the icon that is responsible for the nearby share, hold your finger on it. Then once you have successfully made it to the nearby share page, you can enable this feature by toggling this switch. Then from here you can rename your device if you want to. You can also manage your device visibility and modify the preferred network that is used for the file transfer. Now once everything is set up, let's test it real quick. So I'll take a screenshot on my other phone and share it through the nearby share to my Motorola, and well, see how well it generally works. Well, not this one. Okay, I've cancelled the transfer, so I'll have to open the gallery or albums app. Let's go with files. I don't know. Or here's the gallery actually. So here's the screenshot, share, more, nearby share. Yes, it seems like unfortunately there are some issues with the direct discovery, but that's fine. I'll just tap at the notification on my Motorola phone and accept the transfer at the receivers, or actually initialize it rather. And then here it is. So let's give it a few seconds to wake up and, well, transfer the picture finally. So as you can clearly see, the screenshot was sent and received successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.